Right, gentlemen, today we're going to discuss tropical disturbances. Tropical means area bounded by two tropics, that is, Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn, which are located nearly at 23 degrees and a half latitude in northern hemisphere, which is Tropic of Cancer, and 23 degrees and a half in south, which is Tropic of Capricorn. That means our attention is should be towards disturbances, weather disturbances, which are developing in this area. That means between equator to about nearly 30 degrees, the area is designated as tropical area. The disturbance which we are going to discuss are peninsular discontinuity, which is in the southern India. Then we will talk about intertropical convergence zone, which is also known as intertropical front, equatorial front, or equatorial trough. From intertropical convergence zones, we will move towards easterly wave. It's a waveform which is seen in peninsular region during pre-monsoon and monsoon. Then depressions. In depressions, we'll talk about monsoon depression, and then we'll come to tropical cyclones, which are also known as tropical revolving storms or TRS. Right? First of all, we'll see what is intertropical convergence zone. Intertropical convergence zone means the winds or the trade winds of two hemispheres where they meet, where they converge, that is known as intertropical convergence zones. That means winds at lower levels or surface level which are northeasterly in northern hemisphere and southeasterly in southern hemisphere, they meet. Their meeting point is called intertropical convergence zone. Now, when the two air streams meet, the air will rise. So, at near equator, lot of air will rise, which is coming from two hemispheres. That means it will give rise to lot of cloud development in that area. This meeting point is known as ITCZ. This ITCZ moves as per the sun's position. It moves towards north in summer hemisphere till it reaches Tropic of Cancer in about June. In around 21st of June, it is located near Tropic of Cancer. Then as the winter approaches, which means the sun has started moving southwards, and around December 21st, it reaches Tropic of Capricorn. The ITCZ is important to Indian aviators because as it moves, it carries monsoon with it. That means the advance or retreat of monsoon is linked with ITCZ. As the sun progresses to northwards, the ITCZ moves northwards, and the cloud band, which is the Indian monsoon, moves northwards. Tropical depression or monsoon depression. See, first of all, you should remember the intensity of a disturbance is decided by wind speed. In depression, it should be 17 to 27. If it has become deep depression, it will be 28 to 33. Our depression will have how many closed isobars? A depression will have how many closed isobars? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. And deep depression will have 3. Very good. And cyclone storm will have 4 or more. Right? Depending upon whether it is severe cyclone storm or very severe cyclone storm or super cyclone. Now, monsoon depression is the one in which speed is 17 to 27, two closed isobars at 2 hectopascals. If it is 28 to 33, it becomes deep depression. Right? Now, the difference between depression and cyclone is the depression is loosely organized, whereas the cyclone is very well organized and it is in symmetrical weather. Monsoon depression is not symmetrically organized and it has worst weather in southwest quadrant and depression. Whereas weather is bad all around the cyclonic center. The size of monsoon depression is about 600 nautical miles, close to 1000 kilometers. It is elongated. It is not circular, it is elongated. Ellipse, shape of ellipse. In the center of the clouds, monsoon depression or cyclonic storm, there is not much of clouding. Lack of distinct cloud system in center, because center is marked by sinking air or subsidence. Therefore, the air rises around the center and subsides into the center. Average life 3 to 5 days. Worst weather southwest sector or left front east. Remember that? Yes. Okay. Associated upper air cyclonic up to 500 hectopascals. When break in monsoon comes, the excess of monsoon trough shift towards foothills of Himalaya. This happens when WD is coming. So weather in general improves over North Gangetic Plain from northwest India towards northeast India. That means rain reduces. Where we was having rain every day for 3-4 days, there will be a break from rains. That is called break in monsoon, and it happens when a WD approaches India during monsoon.